In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cell turn a color in a formula in Excel. We'll do this using conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel, which automatically colors cells based on their values. This is perfect when you want your data to visually highlight highs and lows without manually changing colors every time numbers change. Start by selecting the cells you want to format. You can highlight a single column, a full row, or a specific block of cells, whatever best fits your data set. With your range selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon, choose Conditional Formatting, and then click New Rule. This opens the rule builder where you decide how Excel will color your data. You'll see several format styles to choose from, including 2-color scale, 3-color scale, data bars, and icon sets. Each option has a different visual effect. For this walkthrough, we'll use a 2-color scale, which gradually shades your cells between two colors based on their values. It's simple, clean, and very effective. In the 2-color scale settings, you'll set a color for the minimum and a color for the maximum. For example, you can set the lowest value to orange and the highest value to yellow. Those choices form the ends of a gradient, and every cell in between will be shaded proportionally. If you prefer, you can pick any other colors: pink, green, blue, black, or anything that suits your theme. The important thing is to choose colors that make the data easy to read. Once your colors are selected, click OK. Immediately, you'll see your selected cells update with the color scale. Lower values will lean toward your minimum color, higher values toward your maximum color, and mid-range numbers will fall somewhere between. As you edit the numbers later, the colors update automatically, so your formatting always reflects the current data. A few quick tips to keep this smooth and clear. Color scales work best with numeric values. Text entries won't respond in the same way. If your colors look too intense or make text hard to read, switch to lighter shades for better contrast. And if you ever want to adjust the look, return to conditional formatting and tweak the same rule rather than starting over. That's it. Your cells now change color based on their values using conditional formatting in Excel. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell to get notified about new uploads.